I have 3 rotors I need to paint. When I painted the wheels, I didn't do the rotors. I'm getting them taped up. I'm using this 1/4" tape that I bought off of Amazon. I'm not being super careful because I'm erring on the side of leaving some of the rotor exposed, because after I paint, I think it'll be super easy to steel wool or wipe the paint off of the rotor, but I can get real close doing this. I tried different sizes of this tape, bigger sizes, and they wouldn't take this bend. So I settled on the 1/4" tape. Next is taking pieces of this 2" electrical tape. I bought a ton of this stuff off of Amazon. I think it was $4 for like 10 rolls. It was a great deal, and I'll use it for all kinds of stuff. Last one. I think this is a great way to use my lifetime, double lifetime, triple lifetime supply of 2" electrical tape. After that, taking a very sharp, new razor blade and cutting this at a nice angle like this, so that I can get paint on this outer edge of this rotor. Pretty simple process. Rotor number 2 done. Rotor number 3 done. I did very lightly sand these down, trying to leave as much of the original factory gold paint on there as possible, and then just put my gold paint on there to cover it up, so that if and when it chips or turns out like that, that factory finish will still be underneath. I mentioned I had a little bit of stock of electrical tape now. This is the 2" stuff. I got 10 rolls. This is what, 3/4" gray, and 12 rolls. Each one of these boxes I think was $4 or $5. I think I got all of this tape for less than $10 shipped to my doorstep. Amazing, huh? Tomorrow's supposed to be about 80 degrees, so I'll get these things painted up. Hope they turn out nice. We went for a really long bicycle ride today. We always go downtown and ride through the farmer's market and listen to music and stuff. And we found this place that was selling these custom donuts. And I didn't have my wallet or anything, and this lady said, "Oh, you want one for free?" I said, "Okay." It's really quite good. It's very cakey. It's not overly sweet. It's got some sort of filling in it that tastes pretty good. Not bad. I don't even know how much these things cost. I think I'm going to be sick. Here's my paint station for this little task of painting these brake rotors. I had barely enough paint to paint these guys. These things just require a little bit of razor blade touch-up. Goes real quick. It's the inner circle and the outer circle. Done. I managed to get a nice coat of paint on the outer edge. Here's one of the finished rotors. Next time I'll take all of the old paint off, or do a little better job sanding. Screw heads will be here, but I don't know. It's far from perfect, but it looks pretty good.